Hi everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Junk Journal Shop August Studio Box. And I hope I don't cut into anything because I'm real famous for that. Okay, I need to get back and watch the video because I already forgot what the pan is for, but I got a pan. And I got this awesome ledger. As she said, all of the ledgers are written in, so let's see. Pretty cool. It says 1940, July, August, September. And of course, my glasses were left in the other room. So, oh, look at that beautiful handwriting. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's kind of like my mom's handwriting. It's beautiful to look at, but you can't read it. Pretty cool looking though. Kern Valley. Wow, lots of writing in here. Tons of writing. LA sausage? Something to that effect. I can't make it out. Pretty cool. Funny how they skip so many pages between the months. I wonder what the purpose of that was. Clearly, they didn't know they could make themselves a little tab and put on there. Awesome. So there's a lot of handwriting in this one. Plus some vintage aged blank pages. So this is cool. Let's stick this up here where it won't get messed up. And now for the box. I'm going to stick this pan over here till I realize what I'm supposed to do with it. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Ta-da! Got some napkins. I've got some doilies. I've got a piece of linen. Got some ephemera. Baby Toes, Matchless Mind Restaurant. $1,000. Okay, I'll take it. Some recipe cards. Like flashcards. And a clip. I love these clips. Tons of these clips. Yeah, flashcards. 14 divided by 2 is... Anybody? A report card. I love getting these things. Daily register readings. Oh, this isn't a report card. It's just meter readings. But I do love vintage report cards. These are playing cards. Some different ephemeras. This is one of her folded pockets with some different ephemeras in it. Index cards. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the resin. Is that a dragonfly? I think it's a dragonfly. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen that mold. I have to look for it. I got, looks like 3 brass rings and a Starbucks lid. Mixed media, folks. Some trim. Some buttons. And another recipe card. Some more buttons. A big old blingy thingy. I forgot how much she said this was in lace, but it's a lot of lace. A piece of chipboard. And book pages. And another piece of chipboard. So it's pretty cool. So this is the August Junk Journal Shop Studio Box for you to create what you want with it. But come on, guys, look at this. All this ephemera in here. Won't have to buy any for a little while. Okay. I gotta go back and watch her video. I'm really curious. What's the pan for? Anybody know? Put in the script in the comments below. Now, if any of you have been to Johnny's auctions, you know good and well that ledger most of the time sells for more than what this box costs. So, you know, for me, it's well worth the cost of this month's box just to get this. But you get all this too. And a pan that I don't know what I'm going to do with. Come on, guys. Somebody tell me what I'm supposed to do with that pan. Alright, I'll see you soon. Thanks, Johnny. I'll see you next month.